Well, hello, Happy New Year, day one of 2024. Can you believe it? Hope you all had a blessed and wonderful Christmas and are looking forward to what God's going to do in this new year. So I've made a commitment to do more video and post more video, and simultaneously being accountable for exercise and eating right. I totally ate way too much from Thanksgiving through Christmas and until yesterday. So I'm starting out today. This is my first day back at Pilates in a year, and I barely survived. Oh goodness, I hope I can walk tomorrow. But anyway, I'll start posting some things soon, and I just wanted to say hello and bless you with a joyous new year. All right, God bless.